We're going to go from the very beginning like we would do this with any kid that we work with, okay? So, Abel, today I'm going to try and figure out what you know about your math facts, okay? It's not a test. You're not going to get a grade. I really just want to figure out what you know so that I can be a better teacher for you, okay? So, what I have here is I have a sheet of problems. Get this one. I have a sheet of problems. There's a lot of them. We might do one or two. We might do the whole sheet. It just depends on what you do and how you work with me, okay? So I'm going to write down everything that you say while you're working, okay? And what I'm really looking for is which ones you already know, and I'm looking for when you get stuck on a problem, what's your strategy for solving it? So I might stop you and say, hey, can you talk to me about how you solve that? And when I do that, you just need to tell me what you're thinking, okay? All right, so what I have for you is I have the sheet, and I'm going to cover up everything except this first column with this piece of tag board. I'm going to cover everything up except for that first problem with the note card. All right? So I'm going to move you over a little bit. I need you to put your right hand on top of this piece of paper, and I need you to put your left hand on top of this note card. And what you're going to do is you're going to read this first problem. You don't need to say 5 plus 1. You're just going to read it in your head, and then you're going to tell me the answer. And when you're done, you're going to pull it down, read it, and say the next answer. Pull it down. So it might sound like this. Ready? If I was doing it, I'm going to give you the wrong answers, so it might sound weird. But it would sound like this. If I were doing this, I might go 12, 84, 16, 92. Okay? Do you see how it sounds? So you don't read the problem, you just say the answers. Do you think you understand what to do? Wait a second. Do you have any questions before we get started? Okay. All right, everybody ready with your score sheets?
Yes.
All right, ready? Go ahead.
6, 8, 6, 7, 5, 6, 8, 6, 9.
Okay. So you just scoot on to the next column here. Start all the way up. Start going.
5, 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, 9, 10, 10.
Okay, can you stop for a second? On this problem right here, 3 plus 6. Everybody found 3 plus 6? Can you talk to us about how you did 3 plus 6?
I know that problem.
Okay, so I know that you know it, but if you had to explain to Adeline how to do 3 plus 6, what would you tell her?
That's 3 plus 2.
3 plus 2? How does that help you find 3 plus 6?
Wait, no, what's 3 plus 5?
Okay, why would that help you figure out 3 plus 6?
Because you only have to add 1 more.
Okay. How about if we look at this problem down here? Well, actually, let's just do another row, and we'll try and figure those out, okay? Okay. So start at the top of the next column. So start right here. The same one? No, that's the column that you haven't done yet. You did 6 plus 4, but you haven't done 4 plus 6. Go ahead. Do that one?
10, 10, 12, 12, 11, 12, 11.
Okay. On this one, 2 plus 9. Can you tell me how you figured that one out?
Good.
What were you thinking in your head? What were you thinking?
2 plus 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus.
So 1 plus 9 is 10.
1 plus 9 is 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11.
Okay. All right. Let's try another row. whole row. But I just want to go until I think I understand what you're doing, okay?
That's the same one.
This is the one, but you're going to get new ones here. New ones over. Go ahead.
14, 13, 11, 13, 16, 15, 14.
Okay, can you stop for a second? I want to talk to you about this one, 7 plus 9. Can you talk to me about how you did that?
87 plus 3, and, 6
6
more.
more? Okay. Okay, let's not put the microphone. Then one more. Tell me about 8 plus 7. How'd you do that? Okay. So if you were just talking to Adeline, or if you couldn't remember how to solve it, what would you do? 8 plus 7. You don't know how to solve it? Well, think through that for a second. 8 plus 7. What would you do in your head?
8 plus 3.
Why 8 plus 3?
I don't know.
Just because that's a fun one? Okay. All right. Everybody satisfied?
Yeah.
Okay.
Great job.
All right. Do you want to do another one? Do some subtraction for me? Okay. Are you still being shy?